Here goes. Said, don't get in the fucking back, man. It's coming on. It's gone. Yeah. Be ready to pull forward because it might come this way, guys. The wind's blowing this way just a little bit. Pull over that way, man. She's on the side of it, guy, because it's going to come this way. It's coming our way, guys. Oh, there it is. See, look.